Function description. Position 0, manual winding. Turn the crown forwards more than 70 circles to get a full power. At this time, the energy pointer will rotate from low energy area to high energy area. Position 1, setting date. Note, the date cannot be set when the time is between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. Position 2, adjusting time. Do not turn the hands rotate anti-clockwise. Example. Set the time to 8 a.m., 9th. Position 0, manual winding. Turn the crown forwards more than 70 circles to get a full power. Pull the crown out to position 2. Turn the crown backwards, adjust the hands. Recommended to 6 o'clock. Avoid the restricted area. Push the crown back to position 1, setting date quickly. Turn the crown forwards to adjust the date before 9th, which is 8th. Pull the crown out to position 2. Turn the crown backwards. Observe the hands rotating and date jumping to 9th and 8 a.m. Push the crown back to position 0 after the setting.